Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add business credit card to your Booking.com account. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, you have to click on the profile option at the bottom of the screen and then click on the manage your account. Scroll down and you should see the add business credit card option. Click on it, and now you have to give the cardholder's name, the credit card number, the credit card type, and the expiration date. You can see that this is already this option, the use for business bookings option, is already turned on. And if you are all set, or all you typed in all the necessary information, you have to click on the add this card, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.